After I discovered this recipe, I only want to make meat like this. Season 250 grams of meat with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of mayo, and stir to combine. Tell me how you make meat in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. And before I forget, tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Niobe Giorgio from London. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Now, in a pan, pour a drizzle of olive oil, then add the meat. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. And let's fry our meat. Watch until the end because the result is amazing. You won't regret it. When the bottom side of the meat is brown, turn it over to fry the other side. After you'll try this meat, you won't want to do it any other way because it is really delicious. Next, put onion slices on top of the meat. Tomato sauce, the amount is to taste. Spread the sauce on the meat this way. And finally, add half cup of water, cover it, and let it cook until the water evaporates. The water has dried up, and to finish, put mozzarella cheese on top of the meat. Oregano to taste, and cover it for another 2 minutes for the cheese to melt. And our meat is ready! Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!